Introduction. Welcome to our video on the fundamentals of chemistry. In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of chemistry, including atoms, molecules, and chemical reactions. Whether you're a student just starting out in chemistry or someone interested in learning more about the subject, this video will provide a solid foundation for understanding the world of chemistry. Part 1: Atoms and Elements. Chemistry is the study of matter and how it changes. Everything around us, including the air we breathe and the water we drink, is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of matter, and they are made up of even smaller particles called protons, neutrons, and electrons. The number of protons in an atom determines what element it is, and the periodic table of elements organizes all the known elements based on their properties. Part 2: Molecules and Compounds. When two or more atoms combine, they form a molecule. Molecules can be made up of the same element, like O2, oxygen, or different elements, like H2O, water. When different elements combine, they form compounds. Compounds have different properties than their constituent elements, and they can be broken down into their constituent elements through chemical reactions. Part 3: Chemical Reactions. Chemical reactions occur when atoms or molecules interact with each other, forming new substances. In a chemical reaction, the atoms or molecules of the reactants are rearranged to form new products. Chemical reactions involve the breaking and forming of chemical bonds, which release or absorb energy. Part 4: Stoichiometry. Stoichiometry is the study of the quantities of substances involved in chemical reactions. This includes determining the amount of reactants needed to produce a certain amount of product, or the amount of product that can be produced from a given amount of reactants. Stoichiometry involves balancing chemical equations and using the mole concept to convert between the mass and number of atoms or molecules involved in a reaction. Conclusion. In conclusion, the fundamentals of chemistry involve the study of matter and its properties, including atoms, molecules, and chemical reactions. Understanding the basics of chemistry is important for a variety of fields, from medicine to engineering to environmental science. By watching this video, you now have a good foundation for understanding the world of chemistry. Thanks for watching.